Did you know that a happy gut can elevate your mood and strengthen your immunity? If you're ready to take control of your health and say goodbye to bloating and digestive issues, stick around. Today we are diving into the top foods that fuel gut health. If you've ever struggled with digestive issues, you know how much they can disrupt your daily life. In this video, I'm going to dive into the crucial connection between our diet and gut health and how our digestive system affects our whole body and our overall well-being. We'll explore which foods can keep your gut happy and which ones to avoid. And then throughout the video, I've got recipes for you for boosting your gut health. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. It's a diverse community of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes that live in our digestive tract. Now, don't get grossed out yet. There are lots of benefits to these bacteria and organisms. And each person has a unique microbiome that's influenced by the foods they eat, their lifestyle, environment, and, of course, genetics. A healthy gut can actually mean a healthy you. So let's get into the benefits of a healthy gut. A balanced gut microbiome helps break down food more effectively, reducing issues like bloating, gas, and constipation. And this leads to better nutrient absorption and overall digestive comfort. Next, enhanced immune function. About 70% of our immune system resides in our gut. Crazy, right? A healthy gut microbiome can strengthen our immune response, helping our body fend off infections and illnesses. And it helps our mental health as well. Research has shown a strong connection between gut health and mental health, and this is known as the gut-brain axis. A balanced gut microbiome can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, contributing to a more positive mood. I saw this happen firsthand with one of my clients. She came to me and was dealing with some very common digestive issues, bouts of constipation, bloating, and diarrhea as well. And she felt sluggish, tired all the time despite trying to exercise. She just didn't feel good. And after we worked together, building upon small changes to incorporate fiber and more gut-friendly foods into her diet, she felt better. She had more energy and her mood lifted. And I visibly saw this after several weeks of working together. She came to one of our appointments and she just looked like she was glowing from the inside out. Another benefit is weight management. A healthy gut can influence metabolism, and certain gut bacteria can affect how we digest food and regulate our hunger hormones. Next is reduced inflammation. A balanced gut microbiome can actually help to lower inflammation levels in the whole body. And inflammation is linked to numerous chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. To get this happy and healthy gut, I have 5 foods to add to your weekly routine. Probiotic foods contain living organisms which can help boost the good bacteria in your gut. Fermented foods are rich sources of these probiotics, and it includes foods like Greek yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso. Let's start with Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics. It has live cultures that help balance the good bacteria in our gut. And studies show that regular consumption of Greek yogurt can alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, and it helps to boost immunity. On to sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a fermented cabbage dish, and it's rich in vitamin C and K, and it is brimming with probiotics. Kimchi is a staple in Korean cuisine, and it's made from fermented vegetables, and it's loaded with probiotics. Studies suggest it enhances gut health and may have anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, it's absolutely delicious. Finally, miso. Miso is a fermented soybean paste, and it's known for its umami flavor. It is an excellent source of probiotics, and it's linked to improved digestion and gut health. And research shows that miso can help balance gut bacteria and may offer protective effects against certain diseases. An easy way to add miso to your routine is pop it into a dressing. I have a miso dressing on my Rainbow Crunch salad. I'll drop a link below. It is seriously good. High fiber foods. Fiber is beneficial for so many aspects of our health, and our gut loves some fiber.
Eat floor. High fiber.
High fiber foods are often called prebiotic foods because they actually feed the good bacteria in your digestive system, which helps to keep your gut in a nice sort of balance. Research shows that a high fiber diet promotes the growth of good bacteria in our gut and improves our overall gut microbiome. Prebiotic foods include bananas, garlic, oats, raspberries, onions, soybeans, asparagus, and leeks. And speaking of bananas are our next food. They are the perfect portable snack, and they are awesome for gut health. Bananas are high in fiber and particularly high in pectin, which can help regulate digestion and promote a healthy gut microbiome.
Well, then thanks to your high fiber breakfast, I'm sure that'll be leaving me too.
This type of fiber helps to slow digestion, allowing for better nutrient absorption and providing a steady release of energy. Plus, bananas contain a carbohydrate called resistant starch, especially when they're slightly green, and resistant starch acts like a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in our gut. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is the saying, right? Well, apples really may do just that. Apples are loaded with fiber called pectin, just like our bananas, which has been shown to beneficially improve our gut microbiome. And as a bonus, apples' vitamin, mineral, and polyphenol content is shown to protect against chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. One of my favorite ways to eat an apple seems simple, but it is so good. Slice it up, pop the sections onto a whole wheat English muffin that's topped with some nut butter, maybe a little drizzle of honey. This is an awesome post-workout refuel or a fantastic snack. Plus, it makes our digestive system super happy. Berries are truly one of the best foods we can eat for our health. Berries help our brain, our heart, and our gut. Here's a little story about a friend of mine. She was a big fan of convenience foods and was struggling hard with digestive issues. So we discussed making one small change, switching her breakfast from a fast food sausage biscuit situation to oatmeal with blueberries. And then not only did she really enjoy the oatmeal and felt more satisfied after having it for breakfast than her sausage biscuit, but within a few weeks, her bloating decreased and her energy levels improved. And she could not believe how this simple swap improved her well-being. Berries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can reduce inflammation and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in our gut. A study found that regular berry consumption can positively influence our gut microbiome, leading to better digestion and better overall health. Plus, they help reduce inflammation and make our gut lining stronger, preventing unwanted substances from passing through. I really try to eat berries every day if I can, but honestly, trying to incorporate them into your weekly rotation is an easy way to do this. Add them to yogurt with granola, throw them into your cottage cheese as a post-workout snack, bake them into a delicious Dutch baby for breakfast, or throw them into smoothies for an anytime snack. Artificial sweeteners are not great for our digestive system. Saccharin, sucralose, and aspartame can change the way some harmful bacteria behave in our gut, meaning that eating these artificial sweeteners may make your health worse by encouraging the growth of bad bacteria like E. coli. Yikes. Next up is greasy and fried foods. These foods tend to look really good on the menu, but they might make you feel terrible after eating them. And this is because foods that are high in saturated fats can be hard on our digestive system and might lead to upset stomachs, bloating, heartburn, and other fun things. Plus, research suggests that the consumption of fried foods, and particularly red meats, may have negative effects on our gut health. Now on to ultra-processed and sugary foods. Ultra-processed foods like ready-made meals and quick snacks often have a lot of added sugars and unhealthy fats and artificial ingredients, and all this stuff together can promote the growth of harmful bacteria in our gut. Plus, high sugar intake, especially from sources like candy, soda, pastries, can feed the bad bacteria in our gut and reduce the diversity of our good bacteria. Research has shown that diets that are high in processed foods and refined sugars can lead to an imbalance in gut bacteria, increasing inflammation and raising the risk of chronic diseases. So try to have these foods sparingly to better your gut health. A thriving gut can significantly improve your digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. By incorporating foods like fermented products, high fiber options, and antioxidant-rich berries into your routine, you're taking vital steps towards better health. And now I hope you feel inspired to add these gut-friendly foods to your next meals. To continue on your health journey a step further, go right on over to my video on top anti-inflammatory foods. These foods will complement your gut health journey by reducing inflammation and enhancing your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition tips just like this one. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive.